Welcome to Numeric Response Made Easy. For this lesson, we're going to be focusing on how to record numbers in scientific notation onto a numeric response answer sheet. There's basically two types of numeric response questions that use scientific notation. The first is the question will be phrased as your answer is blank times 10 to the power of whatever the exponent number is, or it might ask you to record your answer in the form of a point BC times 10 to the power of d. Record the values of a, b, c, and d. So for the first lesson, we're going to focus on method 1. For example, 12 times 350 is equivalent to blank times 10 to the power of 3. So we know that our answer is going to have an exponent of 10 to the power of 3. And if we calculate 12 times 350, we get an answer of 4,200. So our first step is to put this into scientific notation. So if we move our decimal 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left, we get 4.200 times 10 to the power of 3. So it asks for a 3-digit answer. So we're going to record this as 4.20 times 10 to the power of 3. So what we have in the blank here is what's going to be filled into the box. Now the decimal takes up a space, but it doesn't count as a digit. So the 4, 2, and 0 are the 3 digits that we need. So we would record this as 4.20, and then you would bubble in the values. Another example, 0.12 times 0.744 is equivalent to blank times 10 to the negative 2. So this time we have a negative exponent, and if we calculate that, we get an answer of 0.08928. So if we move our decimal 1, 2 spaces to the right, again, it wants a 3-digit answer. So this will give us 8.928 times 10 to the negative 2. So 3 digits, we have 1, 2, 3. Always check the number after to see if we have to round up, which in this case we do. So this becomes 8.93 times 10 to the power of negative 2. So I would record this as 8.93, and then you would bubble in the answers. 45 times 90 is equivalent to blank times 10 to the 3. If we type that in our calculator, we get 4,050. This time it asks us for only a 2-digit answer. So if we put this into scientific notation, we get 4.050 times 10 to the 3. 2 digits, 1, 2. Always check the next number. Because it's a 5, we'll round this up. So we get 4.1 times 10 to the 3. For a 2-digit answer, because we're not using all of the boxes provided, we're always going to work our way from left to right. So start with the left-hand side, 4, decimal, 1, and we leave this last box blank, and then we would just bubble in the numbers.